Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. I am here with the Forest River Alpha Wolf 22SW-L. Fantastic couples camper. Price is going to be starting at $30,897. Payments as low as $225 a month. We do finance nationwide at some of the greatest rates you're going to see. We also ship to your door. Please reach out to me personally on my cell, 231-215-2750. You can text or call me. You can give us a call here at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go check this thing out. Camper is easily half-ton towable with an overall weight of 5,300 pounds dry. Your total length on this thing, tongue to bumper, is 27 foot 2 inches. Huge rear bath in this model. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Mike Potts. You can reach out to me on my cell, text or call, 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 788-2040, or hit us up on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. And keep in mind that we do nationwide financing, and we will ship this directly to your home. Thank you so much.